Hello everyone, Namaskar, Raj Krishna this side, and we are solving one more problem from inequalities. Looks like a very horrible problem, but it is not, because once you know the concept, problems like this are just to show you that they are horrible, but they aren't. So, how can we proceed with this? First step always is, if there is any term which is always positive, then you can move that to the other side, but it is not looking so here because neither terms like x square is present or any constant is not present. So we can move ahead and draw the number line will obviously be the longest I have drawn till now, because we have to accommodate a lot of numbers here. I think this will be enough. Okay, always number line accommodates a lot of numbers because it's a number line, so a lot of number will obviously be there, infinite numbers, but not always we have to draw those numbers. But this time, as the demand of the problem is, we have to do so. So here we go. First, starting or roughly draw somewhere. I think this will be the right place. I am getting 4 from the first bracket. If I equate, I am just equating the brackets to 0. Then I am getting -8. Then I am getting -1. Then a 0. Then a 2. Then a -3. Then a 6. And then a -9. Again I am checking. 4, -8, -1, 0, 2, -3, 6, and a -9. Let's plot them. So first things first, so 0 comes in the middle. Then I have in positive, I have 2, I have 4, and I have 6. Okay, so I have 2, I have got 4, and I have got 6. And on the left hand side, I have got -1, I have got -3, I have got -8, and then -9. How many numbers were there? 3 to 5 to 7, 1, 8. 3 to 5, 3, 8. And obviously minus infinity and a plus infinity. So how to decide signs? Starting off, you put a plus sign always here. Then as you are crossing the critical point, which is 6, 6 came from this bracket which has the power of the bracket equal to 1. And because 1 is a odd number, so whenever you will get odd, you will change your sign, and whenever you will get even, you will retain the sign. That means you will not change the sign. Okay, so there we go, crossing this 6 as a critical point, which is coming from this bracket power is 1. That means odd, we will have to change the sign, so there goes a minus sign. Then I will have to cross 4, and 4 is coming from this bracket, power is again odd. That means again I have to change sign. Again 2, 2 is coming from this bracket, power is again odd, so minus. 0 is coming from this, power is even, so no change in sign, the sign will retain minus, so minus. Then -1 coming from here, power is again odd. That means I will have to change the sign. -3 coming from this bracket, power is again odd, so change the sign. -8 coming from this bracket, because power is even, I will have to retain the sign. And finally -9 coming from this bracket, power is even, so we'll have to retain the sign. What is the next job which I have to do? We have to mark those points which will be included in our answer. So because it says less than equal to 0, look at this sign of inequality, less than equal to 0. So all those points which will make this expression equal to 0 will be there in our answer. So starting from -4 is -4, starting from this bracket, so 4 will make this bracket equal to 0 and overall expression also equal to 0. So 4 must be a part of our answer. So let's take some other color so that it becomes highlighted. So I'm saying that make a filled circle on 4. Then we have 8. Again -8, x equals to -8 is making the overall expression, whatever is in the numerator will obviously make the overall expression equal to 0. So -8 will be again included and -1 same will be included. All points in denominator, that is x equals to 0, will not be included, because this will make a 0 in denominator which is never accepted, because that will be not defined. And x equals to 2 will again do the same problem. X equals to -3 will again do the same problem. -9 again, and 6 also. So this we have done so that we don't forget to mark this point if they are not a part of any interval. So now what we have to do, after we have done this, let's write our answer. So we'll say x belongs to, they are asking less than equal to 0, so all the reasons of negative, -infinity to -9, open bracket, -9 is not included, -9 to -8, and because there is all the points from -9 to all the way to -3, so let's write them together. So -9 not included all the way till -3, because 8 is -8 is included. Okay, then again we do the union, we get -1 included, filled circle means included, hollow circle means not included, to 0, 0 not included, union 0 to 2, 0 and 2 both not included, and finally 4 to 6, 4 to 6. So these are this is the part of our answer. Have we missed any point? That I will have to check. -8 is included in our answer, yes it is included. -1 is included, yes it is. 4 is included, no 4 I haven't included, there will be a closed bracket here at 4. So we have included all the points. Now coming to the question, number of positive integral values, that means number in the right hand side of zeros satisfying the equality. So from this solution we have to extract, and also they are saying integral values, that means only integers they are demanding, not the complete interval. So we'll write x equal to, now because there will be some handful of values, positive and integral, so two things. So positive interval I have only this 0 to 2 and 4 to 6. So in 0 to 2 interval, both 0 and 2 is not part of our solution. Other integral values in this region will be only just 1. So 1 will be a part of our answer. Other reason is 4 to 6. Again 4 is included because there is a filled circle, so mark 4 in your answer. 6 will not be included, and one more is 5 in our answer. So I will have 1 and 4 and 5 in our answer. 1, 4, 5 are only, so three integral values. If they are asking number of positive integral values, so that number will be equal to 3, 1, 4 and 5. So I hope you enjoyed this video, learned something from this. Okay, how to mark sign, whenever you are crossing any critical point, say go back to your inequality, see which bracket that critical point belongs to. Whichever bracket that belongs to, check its power. If that power is odd, change the sign. If that power is even, retain the sign. That means same sign will be. First step was, if there is any positive value, throw that to the other side. Second step, mark the critical points. Third step, mark all those values which will be making expression 0, and remove all those values which are making it not defined. So not defined values are hollow circle, and those which are making 0 are filled circle. And the next step is to mark your answer as per the demand. So demand was less than equal to 0, and we did the same. And at last something as was demanded, so we did the same. So that's it from my side. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks and have a nice day.